Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy Finance channel, where we make financial education simple and easy to understand for everybody. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? Or maybe you've tried to save money, but somehow at the end of every month, there's nothing left. Well, you're not alone. Most people don't realize how much money they waste on unnecessary expenses until it's too late. And the worst part? These small expenses add up without you even noticing. But today, I'm going to help you take control of your spending. In this video, I'll show you what unnecessary expenses really are, how they slowly drain your wallet without you realizing, or a step-by-step plan to eliminate them, and how you can start saving money today. So if you're tired of feeling like money just disappears, stick with me until the end. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you simple and useful financial tips. All right, let's dive in. What are unnecessary expenses? Before we start cutting costs, let's define what an unnecessary expense is. An unnecessary expense is any expense that you don't actually need in order to live a comfortable life. It's money that you could have kept if you had made a better spending decision. Now let's make it even clearer with some real-life examples. Example 1. Daily coffee runs. Imagine this. Every morning you buy a $5 coffee from a fancy cafe. It seems like nothing, right? But $5 per day means $150 per month. $150 per month means $1,800 per year. That's a vacation you just drank away. Instead, if you made coffee at home for 50 cents per cup, you'd save 90% of that money while still enjoying your caffeine. Example 2. Unused subscriptions. How many of you have a gym membership but never go? Or Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, and you only watch one of them? Gym membership, $50 a month, but you don't go. That's $600 wasted per year. Streaming services, paying for 4 services at $15 each, that means $60 a month, which is $720 per year. If you cut just the ones you don't use, that's hundreds of dollars saved instantly. Example 3. Eating out too often. We all love a nice meal at a restaurant, but if you're eating out 5 times a week, let's do the math. $15 per meal times 5 times per week equals $300 per month. $300 per month turn into $3,600 per year. Just by cooking more at home, you can cut that in half and still enjoy an occasional restaurant meal. Are these examples making sense? If so, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. What's an expense you know you should cut? How to identify your own unnecessary expenses. Now that we know what unnecessary expenses look like, let's figure out where your money is going. Step 1. Track every expense for 1 month. For the next 30 days, write down every single thing you spend money on. Yes, everything. Rent, bills, and groceries. These are essential expenses. Coffee, fast food, and impulse shopping. These are possibly unnecessary spending. You can track expenses by writing in a notebook, using a budgeting app, checking your bank statements weekly. This exercise will shock you. You'll see exactly where your money slips away. Step 2. Categorize your spending. Now take all your expenses and divide them into 3 categories. Needs, rent, utilities, food, transportation, healthcare. Wants, eating out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies. Completely unnecessary expenses, Unused subscriptions, random impulse buys, luxury splurges. Once you see it all laid out, you'll have a clear picture of where to start cutting. How to cut unnecessary expenses and save more. Okay, now let's get to the real action plan. 1. Eliminate useless subscriptions. Go through your bank statement and cancel any subscription that you haven't used in the last 30 days. Forgot you had. Can easily live without. This includes extra streaming services, unused gym memberships, apps or software you never use. Action step: cancel at least one subscription today and tell me in the comments how much you saved. 2. Cook at home more often. Instead of eating out 4 to 5 times per week, try reducing it to once or twice and cook at home. Simple swaps. Instead of a $15 restaurant meal, cook a $5 homemade meal. Instead of buying coffee daily, brew your own for 50 cents. If you do this consistently, you'll save hundreds per month. 3. Set spending limits for non-essentials. Give yourself a monthly budget for fun spending. Example: if you normally spend $300 on eating out, cut it down to $150. If you spend $200 on shopping, limit it to $100. Action step: set a wants budget for next month and stick to it. 4. Use the 48-hour rule for impulse shopping. The next time you want to buy something that's not essential, wait 48 hours. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I regret this purchase later? Could this money be better spent elsewhere? Most of the time, you'll realize you don't actually need it. 5. Automate your savings first. Before you spend a dime, pay yourself first by setting up an automatic savings transfer. Example: set 10% of your paycheck to go directly into savings. If you get paid $2,000, automatically send $200 to savings. By doing this, you won't even miss the money, but you'll watch your savings grow fast. Small cuts equals big savings. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly recap. Track your expenses to see where your money goes. Cancel useless subscriptions and cut back on eating out. Set spending limits for non-essentials. Use the 48-hour rule before impulse shopping. Automate savings so you grow wealth effortlessly. If you start applying even one of these tips today, you'll see a huge difference in your finances. So tell me in the comments, what's one expense you're going to cut this month? And before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's help more people build healthy financial habits. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.